Hello everyone, what we got here? I just got home today, October 2nd, and I saw this box and I have a hunch. Let's open it real quick. Yeah, it's publication date is November 5th, but here what we got: Immigration Realities, Challenging Common Misconceptions, my new book with Carina Cione, published by Columbia University Press, endorsed by very esteemed colleagues that I really appreciate their work and their words. Siki Hernandez, Austin Kosher, Alejandro Portes, Abigail Fisher, and many others endorse this book. If you want to know the immigration realities, what's really happening about migration, and not the myths that you hear in many political campaigns these days around the world, please take the time to read. It's written for the general public, very easy to understand. It's an exhaustive review of the literature from many disciplines, from many countries, about what's happening with the border, with migration, with asylum, with Brexit, crime, welfare, and how it has to do with migration. And the takeaway is that it's complex, complicated, but we show here. And I'm biased, but it's a must read this time. You can get it before the election. Please do tell your friends, give it around. We'll be better informed citizens. Thank you.